Hey guys, we're back for my final battle of the evening at 11:48, running a mini for Chris's sweet Jedi Vader. I got 20 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random in just a second before we go up the top. There it is. Top 4 win spots in the main. Pasting the list in there of 20 spots. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 5. So we're ready for some sweet action. Here we go. Sam round 1, Matt round 2, Sam round 3, Matt round 4, and our winners are Troy Pitts, Beetlejuice Mark, and Beetlejuice. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification code, NQJMXQ. Bit of a tongue twister there. There's our winners again. I am done at 11:49. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.